Yesterday we just finished the pad construction, and this morning we just started the assembly of the shed. What we did, we excavated the pad down about 6 inches, compacted it with GA. After that we put some stone dust on top, about 1.5 inches, compacted again. Then we threw about 1/2 inch on top to get that perfect screed. And then we finally laid the stones on top. And now Carter here is assembling the shed. What we're doing here is that we're putting some sunshades on top so they could have a shaded area, especially this time of hour. There's going to be 3 cedar posts, 1 on each side and 1 in the middle to support the shades.
I'm Justin Racine from Postech, Ottawa, and we install posts. It's a good alternative from the old sonotubes that keep coming up with the frost, so the screw piles hold much better. When it's under a deck, it's quite difficult because there's not as much movement, so it's harder to keep them right on.
If you are going to hit your deck, I'd like to cut that out. Well, we'll see what we... And I'll put a scab in there instead of...
But we managed to get through, and there's lots of rock here too, so it went pretty good after all. So these here are at about 5'6" deep, since there's a deck that we had to go through. So they're 5'6" deep underground and they'll never move.
What I'm doing is setting up our laser to get the benchmark so we could set it to the bottom of our beam where the helical post will be sitting on top supporting it. Yeah. And then we can actually install the beams. Once we do that, then we could actually adjust it. It could be adjusted about 4 inches higher or about 2 inches lower. So there's lots of adjustments that can be made once this system's in place.
Majority of the work is decks and gazebos, outdoor kitchens, outdoor extensions, timber frame extensions for outdoor areas. And lately we've done 2 jobs of cement plates at ground level, and then they pour their foundations on these plates, which are standing on posts that go down to bedrock. So we just did a house in Ottawa, 29 posts around the house, 29 feet deep to support the house because the house was sinking all the time. And that's pretty much the kind of jobs we do. Yeah, the website postechottawa.com, I guess. It's Postech Ottawa on Google. So cmeloche is the salesman, and he's a very good salesman. He'll tell you everything you need to know about the screw posts.